Oh, what's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Happy New Year. We're going to go over Gala Games 2024. It's currently sitting at 0.032, up 5% on the day. See a market capitalization 73 million. 24-hour volume 89 million. So let's hop into the charts. I was going to say the mother effing charts, but let's start off 2024 with a clean slate, shall we? So I adjusted the count just a little bit here. So what I'm looking at, let me grab my brush. Wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback, pushed up into wave 3, 5-wave move into wave 3, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, complete the wave 3, just pull back into wave 4. Looking to push up into wave 5. So if we continue to push up from here, I think Bitcoin has a decent chance of reaching 50K. Then Gala should at least reach 0.041. Bearish scenario, watch for head and shoulders. I think it's a little bit less probable. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. That's if Bitcoin were to roll over prematurely, but I do think there's a really good chance we push up to at least 0.041 and hit our final take profit, which is at 0.039. And from our entry, that'll be a juicy gain of 190%. You can gain completely free access to my trade signals. Just stick around. That's what I'm looking at. Right now, we're holding that 20 EMA. Let's see how we'll just watch those bearish divergences because they're likely to continue to print. And we will likely see that correction relatively soon. Yeah, we're just above the 20 EMA. Looks decent on the weekly, daily chart. I think we could easily put in one more higher high, hit our TP4, roll over. And once we correct, we'll look to enter another trade to ride up the next big juicy wave 3. There will be a wave 3. Wave 1 up, wave 2 pullback. Yeah, right here. And then wave 3, boom, boom. That's what I'm looking at, 0.041 for the next impulse. We'll see. I have to see how it plays out. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, we just hit TP1 on Bitcoin. We just hit TP1 on Matic. We're already hit 3 TPs on Gala Games. We're in an XRP trade. Sign up to BTCC. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world. Completely free to sign up. Grab those bonuses, including for my US and Canadian traders. No VPN, no KYC. I know you guys are struggling to find an exchange. I'm Canadian as well. So, yeah. And then just send me an email after you make your first deposit, and I will give you completely free access, best deal on YouTube, to my VIP rooms for my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, crypto news, member profits, Forex signals. So not only can you trade crypto with me, you can also trade Forex completely for free. Mahalo all plays with a sign up and deposit to BTCC. Email me after you've done that. Or if you want direct access, it's only $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon link. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash the like button for that YouTube algorithm. And I will see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.